Um, hey everyone, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button. With Could a seemingly minor character be hiding a powerful secret? The Marvel Cinematic Universe is known for its intricate storytelling and unexpected twists. In Thunderbolts, we meet Mel, an assistant to Valentina Allegra de Fontaine. Um, while her role in the film appears to be primarily supporting Bucky Barnes in his mission to assemble the Thunderbolts team, there are hints that Mel might be then meets the eye. The name Mel could be a shortened version of Melissa, a name strongly associated with Songbird, a key member of the comic book Thunderbolts team. Furthermore, Mel's distinctive bird necklace adds fuel to this theory. In the comics, Songbird possesses extraordinary sonic abilities, allowing her to manipulate sound waves in a variety of ways. Uh, Perhaps Mel's true identity will be, revealed in a future Marvel project. And, could she be undergoing a transformation or training to unlock her powers? It's not uncommon for the MCU to introduce characters with hidden potential. And Songbird's inclusion in the Thunderbolts would certainly add a unique dimension to the team. And don't forget, you never know who might be hiding a secret identity in the world of Marvel. It, with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see you.